In this video, I will show you how to create APA reference entries, Scribbr, 7th edition. There are two ways to create APA references, manual entry or using a citation generator like the free one offered by Scribbr. To cite an article, begin by clicking on Journal and proceed to search for the specific article using its title. Once you have found the article, click on Cite Source to generate the citation for your APA reference. Regardless of the source type, book, web page, video, APA references are constructed using four components. Author, the person or entity responsible for creating the work. Date, the publication date of the work. Title, the name given to the work. Source, the location or platform where the work can be accessed or retrieved. Combining all of these elements will result in a reference that looks like this. Now, let's examine each of the four elements closely and provide some examples. The reference typically begins with the author's name. In APA style, the author's name is presented in inverted form, starting with the last name, followed by a comma and the initials, T by a period and space infixes like Van or De are considered part of the last name. Personal titles such as PhD or Doctor are excluded, but suffixes like Junior are included in the reference. When there are multiple authors, their names should be separated by commas, and an ampersand should be inserted before the last author's name. For example, in the reference, it would appear as follows: Smith, A. B. Johnson, K. L. Ampersand Williams, R. D.